Hello, welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a frame to your camera, or really add a frame to anything. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Now, next thing you want to go ahead and do is head online and download whatever frame it is that you want to use, or maybe even make your own. Let me go ahead and turn that down, but although I don't even think you guys were hearing it, just in case. And then so after that, I would go to my downloads, grab the frame. Then of course it's not actually transparent. So key thing is make sure it's transparent. So let's go ahead and look for a transparent one together. This one looks transparent enough from PNG tree. Okay, let's see if we lucked out this time, shall we? Okay, this time we did. All right, and then literally all you're going to want to do is change the size of it and then just go ahead and add it to your webcam. And this is going to work for videos and all sorts of different stuff as well. But if you want to add a video, you just go to your sources, go to plus, and then just add a media source, and then you can change the size of it and all sorts of different stuff like that. And then you'll be able to go ahead and put a frame. Now, if I wanted to put this frame around, I don't know, be weird and put it around my whole video, I'd be able to do that as well if I lined it up properly, but that would be kind of tacky, and I wouldn't see why you'd want to do that, but it's a possibility if it's something that you want to do. I guess for a stream, if you want to put like a stream frame or something up, it would kind of work. And then you just want to make sure that the frame matches the parameters of the resolution of your stream and all that other kind of stuff. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.